How's everybody doing today? I came out to the garden quickly to cover a few things up. It's June 8th, I think. It's really been chilly today and there may be a frost tonight, so I'm playing it safe on my one section of the garden to make sure, because I was frost there, to make sure that it is protected in case it does. I don't want to take that risk of losing all my tomatoes over there. But the real reason of this video is I want to do an update on my peas, the ones that I transplanted versus the ones that I planted from seed, direct sown. A few people have been asking how they're faring up. So here we are at the garden here to show you the difference between the two and how they fared up. So this section here is the one that I transplanted, and funny enough, they went through 2 hard frost and they're doing really well. These ones are kind of struggling down here. So overall, these are the transplanted ones. I'm pretty happy about that. They're looking well. Hopefully get some peas in the next 2 or 3 weeks. And then these are the ones down here that I direct sowed. They're looking just as good. So obviously they're going to be a few weeks behind because I planted them, I would say maybe 2 weeks after I put those ones in. So right now I would say that transplanting seems to be a pretty good option, especially if you know if it's not going to frost too much. Even if it frost, they survived and they were pretty sad looking baby plants. I hearted them off, so they survived, which I'm surprised. But anyways, they've done it, so there you go. So I think if you're in a climate where you can get away with transplanting peas, try it out. And try for yourselves to transplant some, and then as well do some from seed and see what works for you. I'm sure depending on your soil quality, what type of soil you have, you may get a different result than what I've got here. But from my experiment here so far, I'm pretty pleased with transplanting them and getting them that head start, because planting them a few weeks later, they're going to take that much longer to grow. And I like my fresh peas. So this one here looks like it's kind of, should be okay. Looks like it's growing nicely though. Yeah, so overall, peas transplanted is working well. So I hope you guys like that quick little update on peas transplanting versus direct sowing, which one works best. Have a great day, guys. Happy gardening. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share my videos around, and have a great day. Bye.